Hello, dear students. Today we'll discuss some fundamental programs in C++. So in the last class, we've already discussed about the basic concept of C++ and if-else statement and switch statement in C++. Okay. So today we'll discuss some of the basic programs that we have already found in your C programming. That programs are discussed in today's class. Okay, so let us start the program. First program is known as how to add two numbers. Okay, how to add two numbers in C++. Okay, so first thing is you think in this addition of two numbers, what are the variables you have taken? For the number of variables you have taken. The question is addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers means first thing is we can add two numbers. So to adding two numbers, we are taking two variables A and B. Then the result of this is stored in another variable. Let us consider that variable is C. So in this program, I am taking three variables X, A, B and C. Okay, three variables A, B and C. And what are the type of these variables? Now, all these A and B are integer variables and the result is also an integer. So C is also an integer variable. So I am declaring X int A, B, C. Then the question is, among these three variables, which variable is taken from the keyboard? Now variable A and variable B is taken from the keyboard because I want to add A and B. I want to add A and B. So I can take the value of A and B from the keyboard. So how can I take from the keyboard? By the help of cin A, B. Okay. If you want to print a message like enter the value of A, B, C, then you can just write cout, enter the value of A, B, C. Okay. Then A plus B and the result is stored in C. Now the result is stored in C. That means C value is printed on the screen. So here I am writing cout C. Since I am using cin and cout object in my program, so I must include iostream.h header file in the top of the program because cin and cout are the object present in C++. And cin and cout object belongs to iostream class. So if in any program I am using cin and cout object in my program, I must include iostream.h header file in my program. Okay, so I am writing here hash include iostream.h at the top of the program, and this is obvious. Void main is the entry point of every C++ program. Always remember, main is the entry point of every C++ program. And what is void? Void is nothing but the returning type of main. Void is nothing but the returning type of main function. Main is the function. Okay. we will discuss functions in C++. We have already studied in C programming, but we will discuss in C++ also what is the function. Okay, so till now you remember main is the function, and main function is the entry point of every C++ program. Compiler always starts the execution from main function. Okay, since main function does not return anything, returning type of the main function is void. Always remember, if a function does not return anything, returning type should be void. If a function returns an integer value, returning type should be int. If a function returns float value, returning type must be float, like that. Okay, and if a function does not return anything, returning type should be void. Since main function does not return any value to the operating system, so the returning type of main function is void. Okay, so this is a small program. Okay, in C programming you just write printf and scanf statement. In C++ program you just write cout and cin statement. But this is not the correct way of writing the C++ program. We will discuss how to write the C++ programming using class and object. Okay, we will discuss in the coming classes. Okay. Next program is write a program to perform all the arithmetic operations. Okay, write a program that will perform all the arithmetic operations. So all of you know that what are the different arithmetic operations present. Different arithmetic operations are nothing but addition of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers, this is addition, subtraction of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers, division of two numbers, and this is nothing but my modulus of two numbers. Okay, 5 type of arithmetic operations are present: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Again I am telling, 5 type of arithmetic operations are present, that is known as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. What is the work of addition? It adds two numbers. What is the work of subtraction? It subtracts two numbers. What is the work of multiplication? It multiplies two numbers. What is the work of division? It divides two numbers. What is the work of modulus? Always remember, modulus operator always gives the remainder on integer division. Modulus operator always gives the remainder on integer division. So, in this program, we will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So, first I will perform addition of two numbers a plus b, and the result is stored in C. Okay. Next I will perform the subtraction a minus b, and the result is stored in B. Next I will perform multiplication a multiplied by b, and the result is stored in E. Next I will perform division a divided by b, and the result is stored in F. Next I will perform modulus operation a modulus b, and the result is stored in G. So what are the different variables I am taken here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You know all are known as my integer variables. So I am declaring here int A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Which value I am taken from the keyboard? The value A and B. In every line, A and B can be taken from the keyboard. So here I am writing C in A and B. This is known as my extraction operator. Okay, always remember this operator that is present in C in is known as my extraction operator. That is known as double greater than, but it is known as extraction operator. If I print a message C out, enter the value of A and B. Okay, this is known as my insertion operator. Okay, then where the results are stored? The results are stored in C, D, E, F, G. So I can print C out C, D, E, F, G. Okay, but in the middle I am writing /n. What is the work of /n? The /n just moves the cursor to the next line. If you does not put /n, all the outputs are coming in a single line. But if you want to see your output in next line like that, then you can put /n after every output. Okay, C out C. So output is printed, /n means cursor moves to the next line. Then output is printed in D. /n means cursor moves to the next line. E output is printed, cursor moves to the next line. F output is printed, cursor moves to the next line. Then okay, so this is nothing but my arithmetic operations. Next small program is the area and perimeter of a circle. Okay, all of you know that what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle is nothing but my pi r square, and perimeter of a circle is known as my 2 pi r. Okay, so I am writing here A means area. Okay, I am taking the variable A means area. Area is equal to pi r square. Okay, the value of pi is 3.14. Okay, so I am writing here 3.14. R square means multiplied by R multiplied by R, R multiplied by R, that is R square. And P means perimeter, 2 pi R. 2 multiplied by pi means 3.14 multiplied by R. So variables are A, P, R. Okay, so I am taking int A, P, R. But see, 3.14 is float value. Okay, so float value multiplied by integer number, the result is also a float number. Okay, but A is integer. I am taking A as an integer. So the result is stored in integer value. But if you can take float A, P, R, that is also correct, and the result comes in float values. Okay, so you can take integer or float, no matter. Okay, so which value can be taken from the keyboard? The value of R can be taken from the keyboard. So C in R. If you want to print a message, enter the value of R. Okay, then the results are stored in A and P. So C out A, P. But here I am taking /t. So what is the work of /t? Well, the work of /t is it just gives some space between the output. /n means next line. /t means it gives some space. Okay. First A's output is printed. After that some space. Then the output of P is printed. Okay. Next program is area and perimeter of square. And you know that what is a square? The square is a geometrical figure where all the sides are equal. Okay, square is a geometrical figure where all the sides are equal. And what is the area of a square? Area of a square means A square, A into A, side into side. And perimeter of a square means 4 into side. Okay, so here I am taking A means area and P means perimeter and S means sides. Okay, side of a square. So A is S into S, P is 4 into S. Okay, and A, P, S I am taken here int A, P, S. Which value is taken from the keyboard? S value. So C in S. Okay, and the results are stored in A and P. So C out A and P. Okay, so these are the small programs which you have already done in your C programming. Okay, just practice it. Thank you.